DeepSeek is making waves right now in AI. I want to see how well it can summarize a video that's posted to YouTube. So we're looking at a Bloomberg Originals video right here. It's titled, "Why Are China's Youth Boycotting Pensions?" Let's see if DeepSeek AI is able to figure out what this video is about and give us some vital information about it. First thing I'm going to try is copying the YouTube link, pasting it into the chat, and then just simply asking, please summarize this video. I'm not sensing it's going to work, but let's give it a go. The video is titled "How to Make Scrambled Eggs." So this is completely off. So DeepSeek isn't able to make this work. I actually have no idea where "how to make purple scrambled eggs" has come from, but regardless, it's wrong. So let's try a different way. Let's try going to the bottom of the video description and doing what we know how to do already with ChatGPT, and let's see how well it can do it versus ChatGPT. So if we go to show transcript here, then we can see here's the transcript. As usual, we have to toggle the timestamps off, and then let's go to the very top of this. Let's copy the entire script, and let's see what DeepSeek makes of this. Okay, so we've copied the entire script. Now let's go into the DeepSeek application and say this is a YouTube video. I want you to summarize the transcript. Okay. Let's see what it is able to do with this. So it's a fair amount of information here. This is a 9-minute 24 video script. Let's see how well it can go. Okay, so already it's pulling quite a lot of information out here. So it's giving us different chapters as well, it looks like, pillars as well. So this video discusses the looming pension crisis in China, driven by demographic challenges and the decisions of young workers. So here it's giving us the first chapter is China's aging population and pension crisis, which I assume is like the introduction that Bloomberg has come up with. Then it's explaining the structure of China's pension system, then the challenges facing the system, government response, broader implications, and then at the very end, it gives us a summary. The video highlights how China's pension system is under immense strain due to demographic shifts and other things. So generally speaking, it's done exactly what I expected it to do.